What do you do on your lunch break?
Got it covered. Keith's coming with you.
Oh, good choice. Joe, anything else for Griffin?
I'm kind of scared. They're gonna be
I
like,
know you're scared.
They're gonna be like
Stop.
spiders or
No,
something. They're
there's
gonna
not.
be
Oh my
like-
gosh.
This is the most relaxing virtual reality thing I've ever seen. All right, prepare to be immersed. So what was that like?
Awesome.
Awesome?
10 out of 10 recommends.
Serious?
Yes.
Were you like
for sure.
super relaxed?
Yes.
Would you want to do that if you had braces put on, or like,
Yes.
what if you had like a tattoo to be put on or something? Would you want to do that while you're getting
Yes,
a tattoo?
For sure.
Getting a needle in your mouth to get numb or something
Yeah.
for a filling?
Yeah, get you right through it.
All right, awesome. Glad you liked it.